All right, so I know that it's been a minute, but I wanted to come back and update you guys on some of the things that I have been up to. For those of you who follow me on TikTok, you do know that I post a little bit more frequently over there. So if you want to stay in the loop on a little bit more of a frequent basis, I highly recommend that you follow me over there as well. So I have been in this apartment for about 2.5 years, and I have been making little updates here and there. So over the course of the next couple of videos, I'm going to break those things down for you so that you can see what I've been doing. If you have been following me since all the way back when I was in Nyasha's video, then you are going to remember that I had a tiny little twin bed that I've been rocking with for years. And honestly, I brought that bed over into this apartment, and with beds, I kind of have a if it ain't broke, don't fix it kind of mentality. I was happy with it. It was serving my needs. So for the most part, I took my time replacing it. But it was becoming a problem. The size wasn't an issue, but I was starting to have some problems with the firmness of the mattress. You know, your body changes over the years, and that bed was just a little bit too firm for me. I was looking into a lot of bed-in-the-box options, Purple and Nectar and all of these sort of memory foam and hybrid mattress brands. But I was really apprehensive about buying a bed without trying or touching it first. So before I bought a new bed, I decided to try to upgrade my current bed and just see if I could make it any better. And I'm so glad that I experimented with upgrading the bed first. I actually tried a memory foam topper on the bed that I had, and that's how I discovered that I absolutely hate memory foam. I did not like that sinking feeling that I would have, and you would feel just like stuck in one spot, and that was just not working for me. Also, it made me hot. I was hot, you guys. I couldn't tolerate it. Memory foam is just not for me, and I'm so glad that I figured that out before I bought a memory foam mattress. So I am here to claim justice for spring mattresses, because that's exactly what I got, an old school spring mattress, and I am happy with it. Now, you know, in New York City, we do things on a budget. So I went to a discount furniture store in New Jersey, and that's where I picked up my new full-size mattress, and I absolutely love it. It has changed my life. Getting better sleep, it changes your life. And so this bed has been it for me. I'm going to walk you through the whole process of me putting the bed together, installing it, getting all of my bedding, and making it happen. Because I'm almost home where my Amazon packages should be waiting there for me. I always get a little nervous when I open an Amazon package because it can be very hit or miss. But I'm trying to be great on a budget, so I had to roll the dice and hope that it would pay off. In this package, I got my bed skirt, as well as my gray duvet cover set, which came with pillowcases. I splurged a little and got my duvet itself from Design Within Reach. The duvet is great quality, and you can tell that it'll be crisp and cool in the summer and warm and cozy in the winter. I have some large Euro pillows coming in a separate shipment, so I got these dark gray pillow covers for those. Now it's time to get rid of my old bed. Of course, I give the area a cleaning. For my twin bed, I had this amazing affordable bed frame that I got from Amazon. It's a great height because I was able to store things underneath. I was so happy with it that I got the exact same bed frame for my new bed, just in a larger size. Once I got my new mattress on top, I was finally ready for my new bedding. So as usual, the first thing I did was start off by creating a Pinterest board so that I could make sure that I had all of my inspiration in one place and all of my ideas about what I wanted to do. I knew that I wanted a very monochromatic gray color palette. I used to go for this really sort of tucked in, almost like military style bed. In this case, I really wanted to go with something a little cozier. I wanted lots of pillows, a fluffy duvet, but I'm still kind of embracing that military look by having that monochromatic gray color palette. Amazon has just delivered the pillow inserts that are going to go onto the bigger pillows that I'm putting on my bed. So let's pop those open and get them onto the bed so you can see how it looks. Amazon came through for me again. These basic home downfill pillow inserts are so amazing, you guys. I ordered them 2 sizes larger because I wanted the pillows to be really firm since I won't be using a headboard. But honestly, they were almost too firm because the inserts were so fluffy and full. I ended up ordering a second set of pillows because I decided that I wanted 4 pillows. And this time I got the inserts the same size as the pillowcases, and that worked out perfect. You guys, I love my bed. It is so cozy. The duvet, the pillows, I'm really happy with how it came out. I knew that I needed some bedside lighting, but I kind of waited around a little bit. I wanted to find the perfect little lamp. Initially, I was thinking that I would use like sconces on the side of the walls, like maybe one on each side, but I just happened to be searching online. I was scrolling through Pinterest and I found this wall lamp that I really like. This gorgeous bright yellow bedside lamp from Sonoman. So I went online and bought that the next day. I was so excited when it came in, so I went ahead and installed it. Of course, before I installed the lamp, I had to give the wall a good clean. First, I installed the bracket that holds the lamp to the wall using a leveler and my trusty power drill. I then threaded the wiring through the bracket and attached the plug. So I really like that I chose that monochromatic bedding, but at the same time I added some pops of color that I really think make the mood a little bit more playful. So I'm really happy that I got to share with you what I've done so far with the bed. I've worked on some other areas in the apartment as well, so I want to share those with you. Again, if you want to be up to date on a little bit more frequent of a basis and maybe see some other things other than just my apartment content, make sure that you follow me on TikTok, The Urban Minimalist there. I will be back soon to share with you some more content.